right? Easter is coming up quick, so we want your kids to be the best dressed when they're out hunting for those eggs. So we found
on Easter Sunday too.
Yeah, exactly. So why not shop at KIDPIK, a clothing subscription box service for kids ages 2 to 16. Now, for the spring holidays like Easter, KIDPIK stylists have curated super fashionable, pre-styled, dressy outfits in a box with no subscription required.
I like that. Now, these boxes are the perfect option for head-to-toe dressy looks that will have kids looking stylish in a flash and ready for the spring occasions ahead. Each box features a complete outfit with 3 to 5 pieces of fashion, including shoes.
So we need to start with the Shimmer and Shine box. Now, your daughter will love this. Yes, now she will steal the show in this beautiful chiffon cap sleeve dress, light pink denim jacket, and white perforated sandal. Now, it even comes with a matching bracelet. Now, we're taking a look at it on our model, Cameron from Leawood, Kansas. She
love
look
that
so cute?
she did.
I love that.
But I love that in these boxes, it has the complete outfit. Now, Hues of Blues box, now this is right here. Take out this outfit to the next level with this crew and button down combo. Wear separately, or you can even layer and wear the button down under this cozy striped crew. Now, there goes my little model, my little baby TJ. You can match with this classic brown belt, distressed blue jeans, and cool navy high tops. He will feel ready to show off. Now, look at him. Now, I mixed.
Looking good.
He is looking good. I mixed and matched both of the boxes that I had. But real quick, let's tell them about the ballerina box.
So Ballerina by Day box, your sweet girl can live out her ballerina dreams in this cute pink ruffle trim top and white lace skirt. Throw on this rhinestone jacket as well, and sequin sandals to complete her ballerina streetwear look. Now, the hair clip, which is like the final touch to complete the look, and Cameron is modeling the outfit for us there with her.
Look at the dog!
With her little pooch Tito. So adorable. I love it on her.
Now, lastly, we have the Epic box, because epic times call for an epic outfit. And this classic boys look comes with a cool color block button up, a short sleeve epic tee, and staple chino pants. Now, when he adds these stylish Oxford sneakers and cool tube socks, it makes for an elevated classic look. Now, here it is on TJ once again.
Be sure to shop at kidpik.com/dressy for all of these looks.
Yeah.